Before telling you this, I went through forums, consulted workshops, and checked dealership experiences to bring you what's really happening with the Toyota Corolla. The idea is for you to know the most common issues without worrying, because most can be solved with simple inspections or software updates. One of the most reported issues by owners involves the multimedia system and connected devices, such as the touchscreen, Bluetooth, or backup camera. Many say things like, "The screen freezes while driving," or "The Bluetooth doesn't connect my phone properly." The cause is usually not mechanical, but related to software glitches or communication issues between electronic modules. Workshops typically recommend software updates or, in persistent cases, replacing the multimedia unit. As one technician told me, it's not always broken, it just needs the system to get up to date. Along the same lines, several owners have noticed irregularities with the brake pedal, which sometimes feels stiffer or responds differently when pressed. Comments like, "The brake feels strange when stopping in the city," appear frequently in forums and social media. This has led Toyota to perform inspections and software updates on the braking system in some models, improving pedal response and ensuring everything works as it should. A mechanic told me, "It's not that the brakes are damaged, the system just needs its electronic brain properly calibrated." While some focus on brake feel, others report that the engine and transmission can feel a bit jerky during acceleration, especially from a standstill or at low speeds. Owners comment things like, "I feel a little jerk when starting." This is usually related to how the CVT interprets power demand or the calibration of engine sensors. Workshops normally check the software and sensors, and if error codes are present, adjustments are made until the Corolla responds smoothly and predictably.